GLP-1s have been a hot topic with some of my clients recently. Whether brand new to me or they've been working with me for a while, GLP-1s seem to be something that keeps coming up, questioning whether or not they should try one. So I've had a lot of time to think about my response to this, and I thought I'd share with you today some of my thoughts and experience on GLP-1s and who might benefit from them and who might not. Fullness and hunger signals in your body are governed by hormones, leptin and ghrelin, respectively. Think of that late night snack that you can't seem to control. It feels like it's become just a habit, right? You sit down on the couch, you turn on your favorite show, and you open a bag of chips or ice cream or whatever it is. You're most likely eating not because you're hungry, because dinner was most likely only a couple hours ago, but because your body is releasing certain hormones, meaning you just don't ever seem to feel full. You might not even feel hunger, but there is one hormone that stays consistent no matter what, and that is a glucagon-like peptide 1, or GLP-1. This naturally occurring hormone in your body tells your pancreas to release insulin to keep blood sugar in check. It slows digestion to keep food in your stomach, and it increases your feeling of fullness. GLP-1 that your body produces, it only lasts about 2 minutes at most. So, years ago, scientists developed a synthetic GLP-1 that can stay in the bloodstream for up to a week. And the benefit of these artificial GLP-1s is that you typically feel less hungry throughout the day. And if you are a person who experiences intense cravings or hunger pains, it can help quiet that food noise. That food noise is something that we've heard a lot about across media sources about GLP-1s, right? Give this video a thumbs up if you've heard about quieting the food noise. So these medicines can feel magically effortless, because you feel like you don't have to rely on willpower to get through the diet changes that you're trying to make. So this sounds like a dream, right? A GLP-1 cuts your cravings and makes dieting easier. But is it though? If you don't change your eating habits, taking a GLP-1 is just essentially another fad diet. Staying healthy requires you to maintain healthy habits, because once you stop taking the GLP-1, the cravings, the hunger, the weight can all come back. And typically after about a year on a GLP-1, the effects start to slow and wear off. And so if you haven't made healthy changes along the way during your time on a GLP-1, that weight that you lost can come right back. And typically around 25% of people who stop using a GLP-1 gain a significant portion of their weight loss back. And we don't know yet if it's safe to stay on a GLP-1 for life. So if you are someone who is otherwise healthy, focusing on lifestyle change like regular exercise and managing your diet, specifically eating more plants, is the best way to go, right? There are no side effects to making healthier lifestyle changes, and it doesn't have to cost you much more either. So just a little bit of extra planning in the beginning until you figure out how this new lifestyle works for you, and it will eventually become effortless. I get it. You're a busy parent and you're always on the go. So the thought of putting even a little bit of extra planning into your health and wellness goals sounds daunting. I get it. I am here to take away some of that mental load for you. My Nourish and Flourish program was designed to bring busy parents from frazzled and overwhelmed to flourishing in just 3 months. By the end of the program, you will, number one, Shift away from rigid rules and food guilt, and instead rebuild a peaceful relationship with food. Number 2, you will optimize your energy levels, and that afternoon crash or that afternoon 6th cup of coffee will become a thing of the past. And number 3, you will learn how to use movement as a tool for stress management and self-care rather than a punishment and something that you should do because of XYZ physical results, right? It will become something that you do because you know it helps you be a better person and be a better parent, because it fills your bucket, it fills your cup up, right? So by combining evidence-based nutrition, the science of mindfulness, all participants leave this program feeling fully equipped with a personalized, lifelong framework for wellness. One that is rooted in setting a foundation, building through strength, and finding that ease to take it with you no matter what life throws at you. So if any of this sounds exciting to you, I only open up about 2 sessions per year. And the last one of 2026 is opening up in August. There are only about 10 spots available because I want to keep this program a small group so that I can provide the personalized guarantees that I do. And so if this sounds like something you're interested in, all the information is in the description below. And I am happy to set up a free 15-minute Q&A call with you if you have any questions or if you'd like to know more about my coaching style. So yeah, thanks for sticking around. Share this video with a friend if you found it helpful, and be sure to subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one.